Welcome back to the Weather Center, everyone. Throughout Saturday, we had a southeasterly breeze driving in quite a bit of cloud into the eastern areas, resulting in light rain and drizzle over parts of eastern KwaZulu-Natal, Mpumalanga and Limpopo. And it's going to stay rather wet tonight for those parts of South Africa. We had cloud-free skies dominating the weather, however, across the rest of South Africa, including much of the west coast. But things are already changing for these parts of the country thanks to this fast-moving low-pressure system together with an associated cold front that are racing towards these parts of the country. Now on Sunday we are going to stay with light rain and drizzle for parts of eastern KwaZulu-Natal, Mpumalanga and Limpopo. The rest of eastern South Africa will be partly cloudy and dry. Then over the western areas, this cold front is set to introduce cloud and rainy weather into the west coast and adjacent interior, spreading into the central areas of the Western Cape towards the evening hours. Mostly sunny skies will persist for the rest of South Africa, and we have another cold front that is heading towards our shores. Light to moderate winds are forecast on Sunday for the eastern half of the country. However, it's going to be rather breezy around East London. Windy conditions are also forecast for the western interior, with berg winds expected to blow into the south coast. Now, because of the berg winds, we have an advisory for heatwave conditions lasting until the end of Sunday along much of the south coast and adjacent interior. We also have a warning in place for high fire danger across much of the northern Cape, extending down into parts of the Western Cape and the westernmost sections of the Eastern Cape. We are going to see light rain and drizzle around Ulundi and Richards Bay, but the bulk of the KwaZulu-Natal province will be partly cloudy and dry, mostly sunny skies for Kokstad and Port Shepstone. Durban should warm to around 26 degrees. In the Eastern Cape, fine conditions are expected with temperatures reaching the upper 20s and lower 30s in most areas. Port Elizabeth is also going to be fine with a high of 28. Mostly sunny skies for the southern parts of the Western Cape, with berg winds pushing temperatures into the mid-30s for George and Osborne. It's going to be cloudy and rainy for the western areas of the Western Cape. Mild temperatures for Cape Town and Langaban, both peaking at around 23 degrees. Light rain is expected around Alexander Bay, but the bulk of the northern Cape will be mostly sunny with warm to hot afternoon temperatures. A partly cloudy Sunday is forecast across the Free State, Bloemfontein, warming to around 24 degrees. Similar weather is forecast across much of the northwest, with highs in the mid-20s across the bulk of the province. We are going to see light rain and drizzle across eastern Limpopo, with Polokwane warming to just around 21 degrees. Light rain and drizzle is also forecast across eastern Mpumalanga. Mbombela will reach a high of around 24. Gauteng is going to be partly cloudy and dry with the mild to warm afternoon temperatures. Then on Monday, we should stay with light rain around George, Mbombela as well as Polokwane, partly cloudy and dry for the rest of the country. Tuesday, we'll see showers setting in from the northwest, pushing down into parts of the Eastern Cape.